Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. It's me Pratyusha here. In this video I want to show you all how I organized my closet. This is not looking like a fancy, but it is working for me. It is functional for me. This is a small closet shared by 3 members in our family. So let's see how I organized and how it is functioning. You will get some inspiration, you will get some ideas by looking at this. So let's see. This is the this is how it looks like. I'm taking the tour of how it is looking on in one side of the closet. I have placed all my clothes, and let's start with how I organize my clothes first. This is one of the organizers that I have purchased it from Holler, and it has a lid here. I always keep some new clothes in this organizer, so it is handy for to take any occasions new clothes. This is one handmade box. I always keep some silver items in this box. Next to this box we have another 2 more boxes. These are all handmade. We have one video how to make these boxes with old reusable clothes, and I have also labeled these boxes. In these 2 boxes I have placed all the Indian dresses. Here is these are my regular wear items. I have placed them in these Dollar Tree baskets. These Dollar Tree baskets are very useful to hold lot of items. These are wide enough and it can store many items. In this box I have placed my night dresses, nighties. Along with nighties, I have also placed the petticoats in the same box so that it is easy for me to grab together. And the same thing in the Indian dresses as well. We can place our tops and bottoms together, so and chunni also together, so that it will not take much time for you to search. So if you are using the same items together, so place them together so it is easy for us to take. And this is one more box, and I have placed all my tops here. I have rolled them up into the small way and then I have placed them. So in this box I have placed around 10 to 12 tops in the same box. I have not used any Marie Kondo method. I just used the roll up. So it is easy for me to roll up the clothes, and I have placed them. I have not used any labels because I am using them regularly on a daily basis, so I know them. And this is one box, this is also one box, and I have folded into 4 parts, and I have placed all my pants in this box. So these Dollar Tree baskets are useful to place our regular wear items. And next to these baskets I have placed my regular loose pants. I always wear these pants after my work hours or when I am at home. So if I pile up like this, it is easy for me to choose. Since I don't have many, I did not use any basket here, and I feel very comfortable if you keep it like this. So I am using both the baskets and as well as this one. So in this way I have placed my pants here. Pajama sets is here, so I can grab one top from this one and I can grab one pajamas from this set. And if you see, this black color and blue color will be suitable for all the tops. That's why I have placed them here, and I am wearing them regularly. This is the organizer for all my clothes, and this is the organizer. I bought it from Sam's Club. I feel like it has more baskets to organize all these things. So it has lot of baskets, so I can categorize the different items. So these are all my office wear, so I can easily grab anything and I can take the shirts. So this is one more basket, so I kept it free. If there is any important documents, so I can left it over there. So I kept this basket for free if I can drop it anything here. And I am thinking to purchase only for the limit of these 3 baskets. It is also holding different tops, so Coming to the second shelf, there are 3 baskets are here. So with the labels I have written what is there. So these are all workout pants. So it has holding lot of different pants for me, and these are all the workout shirts. So I have categorized into workout pants and shirts, so I can take out them whenever I want it. And in this way, here I have categorized into jeans pants. So I will be using maximum of 4 to 5 jeans pant, and if I have anything extra, I will be folding here and I will be keeping it here. So here I have folded it to small into space saving thing, and here see, for this pant I have folded into small piece, small size, and I am putting it inside this. So this is the it is a jeans pant basket, and here these are the two bigger baskets here. So in this bigger baskets I have placed all my weekend I want to wear some Indian dresses, so that is why I have placed some of the Indian dresses in this here. So this is also filing system, but I have kept, these are all regular wear. The remaining things I have placed in another shell, another packet. There is one more basket, bigger basket. I have used it for keeping my bed sheets. So these are the sheets. I have rolled them up into here, and the pillow covers also along with it. So this is the basket to hold the bed sheets. So in this way, this organizer is very useful, and I have categorized them into different wear. So this is really working well for me. There are few tips that I want to share. To organize any place, we need some certain organizers. As per your space, you can also choose your organizers, and we cannot accommodate many things in small space, so we have to fit according to the size of the closet. In one of the corners, we have placed a big suitcase where I kept all my party wear suits, which occupies a lot of space. On top of it, we have also placed 2 baskets for undergarments. I always keep some extra space in between the clothes so that we can place our folded clothes here and then sort it out later. So this is for that place. In the other side of the closet, I have placed my husband's clothes by folding method and some by using some baskets. Here I am hanging all my husband's t-shirts and shirts. So by using hangers, we can save some space. In before the row, here I have some extra jackets and suits, and here I have organized all the office wear shirts, and these are the t-shirts here. So in this way I have all took only the white hangers here. Beneath the shirts, I have also placed some of the boxes for jewelry. In this way, we can also utilize the space below the shirts. In this shelf, I have arranged all the baskets from 99-cent store, and I have kept all my husband's pants here. I have folded them into small parts, and I have placed according to the formal pants and jeans wise, like that. So you can see here it will fit around 4 to 5 pants here. So these baskets are very good for the storage of any items. I have stored my younger son's shirts and shorts in these 3 baskets. The first basket is a bigger one, and I have placed all his shirts here. I have rolled the shirts in this way, and it is holding lot of shirts here. He can pick up the shirt from here and the short from this basket. Even the shorts are also rolled in this way, so he can choose any short, and the other basket I stored the undergarments. So in this way, these three baskets are for his clothes. So in the second shelf, little bit darker, I have placed the miscellaneous items. These are small boxes that are containing all the cards in a home, and this is some. I have placed some of the medicines here, and these are the two boxes. One is for the gift items, and other is some other items. So I always place some gifts at my home so that sometimes we may need them. So this is the second shelf, and at the bottom I have placed all our files. They are very heavy and I don't have any organizer here. This is some small paper holder, so I place all the files and folders here. This is how I organized my small closet with 3 family members with lot of things. I hope you will like this video. If you like this video, please click a like and share it with your friends. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.